Home remedies for breast milk increase. If you are not producing enough breast milk for your baby, you are not alone. Data shows that 75% new mothers start off breastfeeding, but many stop either partially or completely within the first few months due to insufficient breast milk production. Here are common home remedies for increasing breast milk production. Number 1. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are the first home remedy for breast milk increase and is the primary ingredient in many lactation teas. Fenugreek seeds contains compounds that can help to increase the production of breast milk by stimulating the milk generating glands. Phytoestrogens in fenugreek work perfectly to increase the amount of breast milk. Take a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and boil them in water to make a tea. Then strain the seeds. You may add a teaspoon of honey and a pinch of turmeric to enhance the taste of the tea. Drink this tea at least 2 to 3 times a day. Another way is to mix fenugreek sprouts with veggies and salad as well. Number 2. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds contain galactogag, which is an important compound needed for the production of breast milk. Add some fennel seeds in hot water and cover it for some time. Then strain the liquid and drink it regularly. Fennel seeds can also be used in regular cooking, or you can choose some roasted fennel seeds from time to time. Number 3. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are widely used in cooking. Cumin seeds are loaded with iron and other nutrients that stimulate breast milk production. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder along with sugar in warm milk and drink it before going to bed. Number 4. Cinnamon. Nursing mothers can consume cinnamon on a regular basis to boost the breast milk production. Take a pinch of cinnamon powder and mix some honey to it and consume it. Or you can add a pinch of cinnamon to warm milk and consume it before going to bed. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is also known to boost the production of breast milk, and it is safe to add garlic in your breastfeeding diet. It stimulates lactation and thus produces more milk. Keep in mind that garlic can also change the flavor of the milk, and some babies might not like it or tolerate it. Garlic can be consumed in many different ways. You can take some grated cloves of garlic and add it to boiling water and then drink it. Or you can add the grated garlic to milk and boil it and then consume it. You can also chew 1 or 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Number 6. Basil leaves. Another home remedy for breast milk increase is basil leaves. Basil leaves are rich in carotene, thiamine, niacin, iron, and other essential nutrients that help in increasing the breast milk production. Boil some basil leaves in water and strain the solution. Add some honey to it and drink the solution. Number 7. Drumsticks. Drumstick is a vegetable that can increase breast milk by stimulating mammary glands. Drumsticks can be consumed in different ways. You can simply extract the drumstick juice and consume it regularly. It is perfect remedy for more production of breast milk. Number 8. Oatmeal. Most often, breast milk production is affected by iron deficiency. Oatmeal is rich in iron and helps the nursing mothers to produce more breast milk. It can be consumed along with milk and other fruits to increase the taste and health benefits. Consuming oatmeal on daily basis will increase the breast milk production. Number 9. Beetroots and carrots juice. A juice made with combination of carrots and beetroots can be used to produce more milk. These two vegetables contain sufficient amounts of beta-carotene and other kinds of minerals and vitamins that are needed for milk production. Blend these two vegetables to extract the juice and add some honey to it. Drinking this juice regularly can produce best results. Number 10. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is a small flowering plant that has been known for ages to stimulate and increase the breast milk production. It is a common ingredient in milk increasing teas. The milk thistle has plant estrogens that stimulate milk production. Have a tea made by boiling milk thistle seeds 2 to 3 times a day. Alternatively, you can consume milk thistle capsules that are easily available. While these home remedies work, it is good to talk to your doctor before trying any supplement or remedy. In addition to these home remedies, try to eat nutrient-rich, balanced diet and dry fruits like nuts. Eating almonds a couple of times daily also increases the milk supply. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos like this. Thanks.